continuous flow forms a glowing mountain of green and yellow cane. This precision ensures a steady, uninterrupted supply for processing. High-pressure water jets begin the meticulous process, stripping away impurities. Skilled workers, donned in protective gear, vigilantly oversee every stage. Every stalk is meticulously cleaned, preparing it for the next phase of production. Through advanced systems and expert oversight, every impurity is effectively removed. The journey of sugar begins as clean cane enters powerful shredders. Powerful rotating hammers and knives begin to tear the tough stalks apart. This meticulous shredding prepares the cane for optimal juice extraction. Inside the shredder, multiple sets of rotating knives refine the pulp even further. The sheer scale of the shredding and milling hall underscores the industry's capacity. Every fiber of the sugarcane is prepared to release its sweet juice. The shredded cane then moves swiftly to the milling machines for juice extraction. Powerful rollers extract vital liquids, a testament to modern efficiency. Each pass through the grooved rollers yields more precious juice. The mighty tandem of rollers works tirelessly, a symphony of industrial might. Liquid gold flows, the sweet essence of sugarcane released. From raw cane to extracted juice, a transformation of immense scale. Precision and power combine, ensuring maximum yield from every stalk. The powerful roller mills press the sugarcane, extracting its precious, nutrient-rich juice. Under immense pressure, the raw, greenish-brown liquid flows freely into waiting collection troughs. Each drop represents the sweet essence of the harvest, meticulously gathered for processing. This vital first step prepares the raw juice for its transformation into refined sugar. Here, raw juice is heated in vast tanks, a crucial step in preparing it for purification. A technician adds a precise amount of slaked lime, initiating the purification process. This addition causes non-sugar solids to clump together, a vital step for purification. Skilled technicians meticulously monitor these changes, ensuring optimal clarification. Sophisticated machinery then aids in separating the clarified juice from the accumulated impurities. Gravity slowly separates impurities, revealing the liquid gold within. The muddy sediment, a byproduct of purity, is efficiently removed, leaving no trace. Under vacuum, water boils away, concentrating the natural sweetness of the sugarcane juice into a rich syrup. Giant evaporators, precisely controlled, efficiently transform the sugarcane juice into a thick, golden syrup. The multi-stage process creates a rich, viscous syrup, perfectly capturing the natural essence of the sugarcane. A skilled pan boiler meticulously monitors the crystallizing syrup's transformation. Their keen eye detects minute changes, guiding the sugar crystallization process with precision. Within this carefully controlled environment, raw sugarcane is transformed into pure sugar crystals. This careful oversight ensures every grain of sugar meets the highest standards of quality. Precision seeding initiates crystal formation within the pan boiler. Skilled operators maintain ideal conditions for optimal crystal growth. Vacuum crystallization pans continuously circulate the syrup for uniform growth.
The flow rate matches the schematic. We are stable.
Constant vigilance and expertise ensure the perfect sugar crystals. Automated systems precisely monitor the crystal's growth.
Yes, and the crystal size distribution is optimal for this batch.
The crystallization process concludes, yielding a rich slurry of pure sugar. Ready for another cycle, the pan stands prepared for future sugar batches. Within the vacuum pan, a dense massic-white mixture begins its slow, crucial journey of crystallization. Careful control of vacuum and temperature ensures optimal conditions for crystal growth, a testament to American precision. As the crystals reach their precise final size, the massic white thickens, signaling the end of this vital stage. Centrifugal force refines the massic white, separating molasses from nascent sugar crystals. Expert operators diligently monitor and adjust, ensuring peak efficiency and purity. A synchronized team of operators orchestrates the intricate dance of machinery.
Already on it. I'll adjust the setting now.
The centrifuge station is a symphony of machinery and human skill, a vital step towards pure sugar. Powerful centrifuges spin, transforming raw massic white into pristine sugar crystals. Inside, immense G-forces press the massic white against a fine mesh screen, separating molasses from pure sugar. Meticulous monitoring by skilled American workers ensures optimal purity and quality in every batch. Each batch undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring every crystal meets the highest standards. From humble cane to pure crystal, this modern factory masters sugar refinement with precision and care. The dark, rich molasses is expertly separated, leaving behind precious sugar crystals. This rich, dark molasses is a valuable byproduct, flowing cleanly from the production line. The precise centrifuge screen is key, retaining sugar while allowing molasses to pass. Centrifuge is slow, revealing clean, golden raw sugar. Freshly separated crystals begin their journey to drying. Within the dryer, heat and motion refine the sugar crystals. Emerging warm and dry, the golden crystals are ready for the next step. Pure sugar crystals, meticulously refined, embark on their final journey towards packaging. Precision robotics ensure every bag is perfectly positioned for filling. Each sack holds an exact weight of fine sugar, ready for distribution. Precision packaging ensures every bag of sugar, sourced from our cane, is perfectly sealed. With speed and accuracy, each bag is secured, preparing it for distribution. Our skilled workers meticulously stack each bag, ensuring stability and efficiency.